Hello, hello. We were walking about, and I happened to notice these blue lights all flashing up and down here. Looking very, very interesting. There's a police van there, and there's 2 police cars there. Interesting what you can see. Oh, there's another police car up there. 1, 2, 3 police cars and a police van and a bunch of police officers that all look as if they are doing some sort of raid, or some sort of raid has happened. I can't tell for certain, but it looks very interesting. Now, the reason we're not going closer is because we're staying on one side of the road, because clearly there's a whole load of police there, and as members of public we can view exactly what we want on public streets, but we're sticking to one side of the road so we don't go wondering what on earth is going on. Or maybe it's so that we queue, or maybe it is so we do wonder. Either way, this is looking interesting. So, we're just going to stand and watch what's going on. I reckon that motorbike has something to do with it. I'm not entirely sure. Maybe that guy can give some insights. Maybe that guy can get some insights. Hold up. This is definitely interesting though. There's an electric scooter there. Interesting. Electric scooter and the bike thing, both involved in this whole stuff. Interesting. 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 Yo, do you know what's going on? So many police officers wasting their own time. Wow. Not every day you see this. Not every day you come across and see this. I was triggered. This police response is very interesting. Because I would never have expected this. Hello officers, would you mind giving some insight into what's happened here? Excuse me, do you know what's happened here? Wow. Very interesting. Trying to work out what's happened here. Probably related to them two things there. No clue. Yeah, it is to do with them. Wow. Interesting police response here. For a guy that hasn't, that I don't know what they've actually done. But it's very interesting what you can see. An electric scooter, some sort of electric bike, and a guy in cuffs. There's an officer taking that thing off. Oh, that officer's trying to see if someone knows how to undo that. I might know how to undo that to lower it. Interesting. Goodbye goes a good looking electric scooter. The policeman has disappeared. Still the police cars left here. So whatever's going on does look interesting. Just look at this. Amazing, right? Even other people are interested in what's going on. And then I just come along and go, interesting. Ooh, the scientific units are also involved in something. Probably drug related then.
That's what I'm thinking. I'll turn it on the 136. 165.
Not every day you see this. Wow. Interesting, hey? A guy in cuffs. A guy there. Helping them clearly. What's he in cuffs for though? Interesting. Interesting. Interesting.
Buddy, not helping the situation at all.
Hmm?
Not helping the situation.
What do you mean I'm not helping the
This
situation?
chap doesn't need you to record him. It's going to antagonise him.
What's he in cuffs for?
You don't need to know.
I'm just asking what's he in cuffs for? Free press.
Yeah, apologies. Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. No insurance. You appear to be a foreign plate off-road motorbike. You can see zero probability to me.
You trying to deliver the average? Yeah.
That's correct. It's definitely an off-road motorbike. There's no plates. We've only got a small little serial plate attached to the bike, and there's no other information on it.
Free press right here.
Initially on the main road, and then it's mounted to the pin.
Now if we recorders weren't allowed to do things, how come there's nothing in law? And he's going into the back of the police car by the looks of it. And the police van pulls up. Even more police turning up clearly. The fact that they called out a police van for I don't know what.
Yeah, I've got my over me.
So it does look as if they're going to head off. Police vans turned up. Very, very interesting. That bike looks highly modified.
Do you want to go off the road?
A ride where?
No, I said, do you want to get off the road?
Why?
Well, a car could hit you.
A car's not going to hit me. The only way a car would hit me is if the car from the driveway that you're blocking wants to come out. Cars aren't going to hit me otherwise, mate. Clearly uneducated on driveways and how it works. Cops needing education on how driveways work.
Yeah, no problem.
Cops needing education on how driveways work. Yeah, let's go. They wouldn't even have me here if it wasn't a big police response over one person. Stupidity of the police. Stupidity of police. Police stupidity for real. Shows that this bunch of cops here are all pigs. The amount of them that come just for one guy to get arrested. Stupid. Stupid piggies. Stupid piggies. Funny thing is, there's a baldy copper right here.
Two bags.
Right. Keys, the bike. Yeah, that was the ones that were in there. No, so you shouted up, but then I didn't have you hooked on. Because it come through so quickly, and then another Charlie remembered it was something else.
I heard either Coleridge or Cambridge. Which one did I go to? It's not getting. No, we've just
Interesting.
I'll go to the car. I'll go to the car. One more thing. Oh, it's just completely it's like.
But how many police cars are still here? 1, 2. 2 police cars still here. One's got its blue lights off now. The other one still has its on. That does look like a nice bike though. Hello.
Hello.
That bike looks very nice.
It is a nice bike.
And I'm filming for YouTube.
YouTube. Okay,
Mhm.
fair enough. Not a problem.
Because when you're out in public, you can film for whatever you like.
Of course you can. No, you're more than welcome to.
Looks very interesting though, how that bike looks highly modified. You can
It's just a normal dirt bike, I think.
you can tell that it's modified because if you look at the whole chain system, it looks as if it's modified
Yeah.
from a push bike,
Yeah.
and it has no number plate,
It
so it's
doesn't.
clearly
No.
not.
It's not meant for the road, is
Meant
it?
for the
No.
road.
And that's why we're going to be taking it.
What about that electric scooter that you guys took?
I think that's gone as well. To
Because
be honest.
electric scooters are actually fine.
So only if they're part of the voice system.
I would
Because you have
actually
to have
argue.
insurance and stuff to drive them as well.
Do you?
I think we've taken that too.
I know we have people needing licenses, right? But I don't see anything on the void terms and conditions that says anything about
It's to do with
insurance.
insurance. It is insurance purposes.
And it's all to do with the government trying to stop people from riding private scooters on places.
Maybe I.
At the end of the day, the government should legalise private electric scooters as long as they're limited to a set amount of miles per hour or whatever.
Yeah.
Now, electric bikes, I know they're meant to be. I know with modified bikes and that, it's restricted to a certain mile per hour before you then need a license and a number plate and everything,
Yes. Yeah.
which isn't easy to get in these days and ages.
No.
Hence why people do it.
Yeah, well, this is like, you can't be having these on the roads, otherwise we end up taking them, don't we?
Yep. Why so many police cars just for one guy though?
Because I think he was being a little bit difficult to start, so we wanted to make sure that everybody was okay.
Because from what I can see, there was a police van, there were 2 police cars,
Yeah, there was quite a few.
and then a third one appeared out of nowhere clearly.
Yeah.
And then there was also a police van that's turned up also.
There was a few, you're right.
Yet, all this amount of police just for one guy that could have complied, could have walked the things
Oh
home.
yeah, he could have done, yeah.
But no, police don't even think about letting them walk their things home.
No, sometimes we don't, no.
Which isn't very good.
Yes, no worries.
But interesting, hey? Interesting. There's 3 police vehicles, one's headed off by the looks of it. And then that's going to leave 2 police vehicles to head off. Or is that one just... No, that one was just moving over. But so many police vehicles just for one guy over a bike and an electric scooter. Interesting, hey? But when you comply, you don't get put in cuffs. When you don't comply, that's when you go in cuffs. Interesting. So I think this other guy was complying like they should. I reckon this other guy was linked to this whole thing too. No, there was an electric scooter and a bike. And the electric scooter's been taken. I'm not sure how they're going to take the bike though. Interesting. One police car. Mr. Baldy over here. Interesting.
Hello.
Interesting. 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 Interesting what you see when you're walking about. And then there's this guy here that doesn't look like an officer at all. I'm not sure what his relation to it all is. But yeah, there's two ways of doing things. There's the calm way, where you don't end up in cuffs, and then there's a not so calm way, where you end up in cuffs. Right, isn't it? Great, isn't it? I'm going to come closer to see if I pick up anything. Interesting.
That's alright.
Not every day you see, so. Two police cars left right here.
He's just finding out in about 5-10 minutes. About where I'll be going to. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, I'm just filming what's going on around here.
I get that, but obviously it's quite a private moment. If you wouldn't mind just giving them a bit of privacy, I get that you're just filming, but
What's the problem then?
there isn't a problem. You're more than you've got a right to film if you want to. I can't stop you from doing it, but obviously just want to get some privacy for them if you wouldn't mind.
They don't need privacy. They've clearly done something wrong. They should be named and shamed.
Okay.
Because by riding bikes that shouldn't be on the road and riding electric scooters goes to show idiocy gets you in the police. And they blatantly miss one that just rides past. Wow.
Right, buddy.
I literally just saw an electric scooter ride past.
That one over there.
Yeah. That didn't look like a boy one.
It might not be, to be honest, but obviously we can't do two things at once, can we?
Well, there's a police car sat doing nothing.
That's his car.
Yeah, there's that police car sat doing nothing.
Yeah, it's someone else's car, mate. He's here, he's on the phone. He can't drive around.
He can drive past, he's on the phone. Police clearly have exemptions.
Not for that, we don't. It's still an
Are
offence.
you sure?
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Sadly, we can't. We've got certain exemptions, but not all of them.
Exemptions like the red lights.
We've got that one.
I know that police car has its lights off. Why is this police car still
got the
got
back
its
ones
blue
on.
lights on?
That still got the back ones on. And this one does as well. There's no front ones on.
Oh,
Yeah.
what makes them use the back lights then?
Oh, it's just so obviously we don't want to flash people that are coming towards us, and there's no need for all of them to be on because it's just quite bright.
I would say there's no need for any to be on if you're clearly in parked bays.
Well, it just tells people that we're here on an emergency, if that makes sense, and explains why we parked in the way that we have, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Well, I'm literally parked in the marked bays, so
Fair
I
enough,
definitely don't see any issue now.
Yeah.
But when they first were seen by me, I did notice they were parked in the way they were,
Yeah.
blocking the traffic.
Yeah, because we were kind of just like that. So that's kind of the reason why we put the lights on, so people are aware that we're there.
But it looked as if it was like some sort of raid that had just happened,
Yeah, I know.
from what I saw.
Yeah. Right. We're going to shoot off in a moment, alright? I don't know if you're going to stay here, go home. Up to
I'm
you.
probably going to wait until the police cars go off.
Fair enough. Alright.
Because I noticed the police cars when I was walking off home anyway.
Yeah.
So,
You live near here then, yeah.
yeah, I live near here.
Alright.
What they do with that bike thing?
It's going to get recovered.
When?
Don't know.
They could have stuck it in the back of a police van. Makes recovery so much quicker.
I really appreciate you guys coming out and are you in perfect. I'm in tomorrow so we can catch up then in terms of what was discussed. I'm going to be leaving when I get back to the station. I'll book it all in and you can do that slow time. How was he later on? Was he in the bit? Oh, he doesn't like me. Yeah, fine.
Doesn't like certain people. Interesting.
Well, that's even better. No insurance.
But the fact that they have their backlights on,
Cool, guys.
interesting, hey? Interesting. Let's watch as they drive off. Bye-bye, please. Bye-bye. Interesting. Bye-bye. Oink, oinks. Bye-bye, you oink, oinks. Oink, oinks go. Bye-bye. Oink, oinks go. Bye-bye. Hey. You know what I could do? I could be a bit cheeky now.